Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll open the app and create or confirm your account. Do that now so orders save. Once signed in, grant location access so the app shows available restaurants and accurate delivery windows. Next, add a payment method and set one as default to avoid pauses at checkout. This sequence reduces friction and gets you ready to browse. Make sure notifications are allowed if you want delivery updates and eater alerts during the order flow. You'll choose a restaurant and use filters to find quick delivery or top-rated options. Do that now to narrow choices. Once you tap a dish, customize size, sides, and any allergy notes. This is where clarity prevents mistakes. Then open your cart and review items, apply any promo codes, switch to pickup if you prefer faster pickup, and set the tip percentage. By completing customization and payment choices here, your order moves smoothly to You'll track the delivery on the live map and watch status updates so you know when to expect your food. Once the driver is nearby, confirm the photo and vehicle details, then follow any delivery instructions you set. This helps avoid missed drops. If the order is late, wrong, or missing items, use the in-app support flow to report the problem and request a refund or replacement. Be specific about what's wrong and attach photos when possible to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.